Good morning, class. How was your weekend? Nice. So did you spend it with your family? Okay, right? Really nice. My weekend is nice too. Was nice too. So I spent my weekend with my family. You see, there's a picture of my family here. Yes, right. So do you live with your family? With your big family? Okay, so you have aunts and also uncles living with you? Right, how about you? Oh, you live by yourself. Right, so you live in a dorm. Okay, so if you take a look at the pictures of my family over here, you see that we are so happy here, right? Yes, because indeed we are happy. So if you see here, I put the years of my brother, my sister, and also my mom, and also me. Can you guess what are we going to talk about? Yeah, right. We are going to try comparing here. Right. So I'm comparing the age of my brother and my sister. If you compare here, which one is older? Yes, my brother is older than my sister because he is 33 years old and my sister is 31 years old. How about my mom? The oldest, right? So you can say that my mom is the oldest member of the family. How about me? Yes, I'm quite young. I'm 29 years old, so I'm the youngest in the family. So now, let's begin discussing about comparison. Our discussion will be talking about the structure and how we compare. We start from S and S, okay, or positive comparison. Means like the degree is same, okay? Use the example, my sister is as tall as me. My sister is as tall as me, right? Can you guess the structure? Okay, good job. Okay, any questions so far? No? Let us now try to make sentences from the picture that I have here. Okay, L, do you want to make a sentence? Let's describe Randy. Yes? Good. Randy is stronger than Connie. Okay. How about Harry? Wilson? Harry is the strongest. Yes, good job. How about Connie here? Will? Yes? Connie is strong, okay, but Connie is not stronger than Randy. Yeah, and he's not also stronger than Harry. Yes, okay. How about the next question? The next picture. Mr. White, Mr. Bright, and Mrs. Pardon. L. Mrs. Pardon is the oldest. Okay. How about Mr. White? Mr. White is old, right? But he is younger than Mr. Bright and Mrs. Pardon. Good job, Elle. Thank you. Alright, now we're going to go to the next activity, which is speaking. Okay, I need you to try to speak, but the speaking will be in the form of having a discussion with your friend. Okay, I need you to try to ask your friend. So while you are asking your friends and interviewing them, I need you to fill in the information about his or her father. The name, the age, the height, the weight, and perhaps a bit about his job. Okay, let's try. Yes, now you finish interviewing your friend. Dustin, what do you find the fun facts that you find about Elle's dad compared to your dad? Alright. Okay, so her dad is as old as your dad? Oh, so both of your dads are 40. Okay. Alright, next. I need Will to share. Yes, you interviewed Megan. Okay. Let's talk about Megan's father and your father. Ah, okay, so Megan's father is taller than your father. How do you know that? Because Megan's father is okay, right? Thank you. Now we're going back to business. At the end of this term, you will have a task to make a comparison out of the graph. Okay, so I need the school will assign you to make a report of a comparison of a graph. So in front of you, I have a graph here. Okay, which compares the nicest fruit. Can you all see? What do you call this graph? Good job. It's a bar chart. Okay, it's a bar graph. We're going to try describing this this bar chart. Use the words of comparison that we have discussed previously. You can use the words for talking about the superlative and also comparatives. Right. How will you describe it? We're going to try the whole class to sign in into menti.com with the code of 413501. Yes, any problem? Okay, really easy to do. Yeah. Internet connection? Use the passcode. Yeah. Alright, everyone has signed in. Now let's try to see the graph once again, okay, and try to make sentences. Okay? I think each of you can make one sentence first to describe the graph. Alright? Try to pick any kind of information that you want to describe. Let us share with the whole class. Good job, class. It seems like all of you have already submitted your answer. Okay, so let's discuss the first one. Grapes are the least nice fruit among all. Is it true? According to the graph, yes, it's true. Right, the second one. Apple is nicer than orange. Is that true, class? Yeah, good job. Yes, it is. How about the last one? Blueberry is the nicest fruit. Okay. Anyone else has another answer? In your sheet, in front of you, I have provided a sheet with one graph. What do you call the graph? Yes, it's a line graph. I need you now to make comparison statements about what you see, okay, the changes that you see in the graph. Alright? Each of you should make around 10 sentences. Find out which information that you want to explain with comparison words that we have studied today. Alright, I'll give you around 15 minutes and then we're going to share afterwards. Let's dig into practice.